Hey, what is up, guys? It is Britt and I am back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys this tutorial on this African tribal look. I really wanted to do this video because it is Black History Month and I wanted to end off the month by doing this tutorial. And also Black Panther has come out and I've seen tons of pictures of the tribal paint, so I just wanted to try it and do my own little twist on it. And I love the eyes and how they came out. The gold, the teal underneath the eyes, the dark lipstick, the white paint. I just love everything that came together. And I have my kitchens out with my wrap on, my head wrap on, and I really love this. So if you guys do want to know how to get this, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my Morphe 350M palette, and we're just going to take that orange shade and I'm going to put that a little bit above my crease to use that as a transition shade. Then I'm going to go into that deeper orange and deepen up my crease just a little bit more. And I really want these colors to pop, so I do pack some of it on. Then I'm going to go into that reddish orange color and I'm really going to deepen my crease up with this color, and I'm just going to blend all of those together. Next, I'm going to take that chocolate brown shade and I am going to take my pencil brush and pack it on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take the same blending brush that I had a little bit of the orange on and blend that all together so there will be no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take that deeper chocolate brown shade and I'm going to do the same that I did with the other brown. I was going to first do a halo eye with this look, but then I decided not to because it didn't really look right to me. So I just am following the same steps that I did on the other eye. You know, you just gotta match the eyes together. But next, I'm going into my Morphe 35R palette, and this I'm going to take that gold shade. This palette is perfect for gold. It has so many different colors of gold. It has an orangey gold, it has a really yellow gold like I have on my eye now, it has a lighter gold, it has a rose gold. So there's just so many different ones. And then I'm going to take a black shadow. I took the shadow from my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to take a tapered blending brush and put that on my outer corner and then blend it all together using a clean blending brush. Next, I am doing a eyeliner, and I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the color Trooper and go ahead and do my cat eye. And I did my lashes off of camera, and then I blended in my lashes with the L'Oreal dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm priming my face with the E.L.F Oil Control Primer Mist Spray, and I'm just going to pat that into my skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Velvet Skin Matte Tint, yeah, that color, that foundation. And this is the color Martinique, and I'm just going to take my Morphe Y6 brush and blend that all out. And then I also add a little bit of a extra layer on certain spots that need a little bit more coverage, and I just blend that out. To conceal and highlight underneath my eyes, I'm going to use one of my favorite concealers. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Golden to just highlight all my areas. And then I'm going to take my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. This is the Deep palette, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my cheeks and a little bit of my forehead. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and just set all the places I concealed. And then also I'm going to cut my cheekbones to make that contour pop. To make my contour even more defined, I'm going to use my Asthetica contour palette. It's the powder palette and it's Deep palette, and I'm just going to define my contour just a little bit more because, you know, we're trying to look at least a little snatched in these streets, okay? And now we're just going to wipe away the extra powder that was set on our face. I don't know why I can't speak today. But now I'm going to use the AOA Studio Highlighter. This highlighter was $3.50 and it is so beautiful. This is the shade Lunar. And then next I'm going to take my Shany Cosmetics palette. This palette comes from the 7-layer masterpiece set, and this is the green and blue palette. And I'm just going to take that teal color and I'm going to smoke underneath my eyes. I really thought this color looked really good with the gold because it just really made the eyes pop even more. And now I'm just taking another pencil brush and taking the highlighter and just putting that into my inner corner. And I did my lips off of camera. This is the Colourpop matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mamacita. And for the paint, I am using my NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil. This is the white one, obviously, and I'm just going to take that and I am not lining my lips, but I am drawing the line on my lips. Now, in the original picture, it's just the bottom lip, but I just wanted to do something different. So, yeah, I'm just going to draw all the dots on my face, following the picture a little bit. And yeah, that is basically it for this whole tutorial.
James Ready Production.
Is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I just wanted to do something to really pay tribute to my ancestors that come from Africa. Recently I did find out that half, like on my dad's side, they're from Ghana, so I just wanted to pay tribute to my ancestors by doing this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, if you want more tutorials like this, give this video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what other videos you want to see, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you know when I post new videos. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye!